Y'all gonna see how we're gonna make this Caribbean lobster on the grill. Okay, after we cut it in half, this is what we're gonna do. We got some onions, garlic, mixed up together, and some pink salt.
Work that body for me, 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 work for me, work that body for me, work. Get down, get down, get down, get down, get down.
All right, so we got the grill light up. Got the lobsters here. So we're gonna go like this. Easy. We grab the lobster. Put it right there. Lobster. Put it right there. See? And we're gonna leave it for a minute. Let's leave it for 10 minutes. Then we're gonna check on them, okay?
For me, work for me, work.